This presentation speaks to coils. This could be coils on anything, on fan coils, any air maintenance system, whatever. But these suggested maintenance positions hold water. The suggested maintenance is for chilled water cooling coils, direct expansion, and heating coils. Semi-annually, check P-trap. Prime is needed to ensure proper operation. Check for proper operation of cooling or heating coils. Clean, restore, or replace as necessary. For your typical coil, your annual check is check refrigerant system pressures or temperatures. If outside of recommended levels, find cause. Repair and adjust refrigerant to achieve optimal operating levels. Check the coil for fouling, corrosion, or degradation. Clean or repair as needed. Check integrity of all panels on equipment. Replace fasteners as needed to ensure proper integrity and fit and finish of equipment. Check drain pan, drain line, and coil for biological growth. Clean as needed. Check coil fins. Restore if possible. Replace coil if necessary. For cooling coils, inspect for evidence of moisture carryover beyond the drain pan from the coil. Make corrections or repairs to eliminate the condition. Virtually inspect areas of moisture accumulation for biological growth. If present, clean or disinfect as needed. Check condensate pump. Clean or replace as needed. Now, as part of coil maintenance, one must be cognizant of filters upstream of the coils. If filters are starting to be clogged, enough so that they restrict airflow, it can cause, on a chilled water system, coils to begin to ice up. When coils ice up, it diminishes the amount of supply air supplied to the conditioned areas of the building. Coil maintenance may be very simple, but I think you can basically say is make sure the coils are clean. Often some coils have pressure gauges across them, and if you see the pressure drop across the coil beginning to rise, it's time to have that coil cleaned. Thank you very much. Bye now.